Peakboard's AI just built two perfectly synced bakery displays from one single prompt, and I have to show you this. Picture a craft bakery where the kitchen and the counter never quite know what the other is doing, so customers ask for bread that sold out an hour ago. First up is the production screen in the baking area, where bakers see the full schedule with batch countdown timers, live oven temperatures, and the proofing room status at a glance. When a batch comes out of the oven, they simply tap it ready, and the shared availability list updates instantly. That brings us to the storefront display, a beautiful menu board showing today's breads and pastries with prices, a rotating baker's pick banner, and bold sold out overlays the moment an item runs dry. No one touches the customer screen, it just stays honest and up to date on its own. The kitchen runs smoother, customers trust what they see, and the artisan brand shines. And remember, this entire solution was generated by Peakboard's AI from a single prompt with no manual programming at all. You can download this project for free using the link in the description below.